Here's how you can turn cellular data on or off on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Cellular, which you'll find right below Bluetooth. At the very top, you'll see this Cellular Data toggle. To disable cellular data, simply switch it off. This will stop your phone from using mobile data, so you'll need to connect to Wi-Fi instead. If you ever want to turn it back on, just toggle it back on. There are also some additional options available. If you tap Cellular Data Options, you can enable or disable data roaming, adjust the data mode, or switch to low data mode if you're running low on your monthly data allowance. Additionally, under Voice and Data, you can choose to switch to LTE instead of 5G. This can help save battery life if you don't need the fastest connection. So whether you want to completely turn off cellular data or fine-tune these settings, you have full control over how your iPhone uses mobile data. Hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks, everyone.